Alright, so we're gonna get some food and then go outside and do something. It's gonna be fun. I don't know, it just snowed today a little bit and it's pretty warm. It's gonna start snowing again in like 3 or 4 hours, so I think we've got a little bit of light to work with. Maybe we'll go onto that mountain. Maybe that's what we'll do today. Alright, so we're on a new trail. It's pretty muddy. There's a huge elk right there, and I think I'm too close. Okay, I think I might try to get closer. I don't know. I'm gonna go away. Definitely don't want to get charged at by a deer today.
Yeah. Yeah. What? Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Load it.
Yeah.